Well, one of the biggest questions, where exactly will the eye of the storm make landfall, and what difference does it make with a storm of this magnitude? As of now, forecasters say the storm will slam the Keys, then move up Florida's west coast. Janice Dean is tracking the storm's movement from the Fox Extreme Weather Center. Janice, I have a couple questions for you. First and foremost, I was looking at your Twitter page and I saw that we are seeing some tornadoes, at least watches associated with this storm. But I also want to get your opinion when we hear that it's a Category 3, because really, does that make a difference at all at this point?
No, and I want to stress that it weakened a little bit because it went over land. It lost its source of fuel. But look at the last few frames of the satellite imagery. Look at how well defined that eye is right now. That right there is a strengthening storm. And the National Hurricane Center is saying we're going to go up to a Category 4 yet again. So just a brief moment of weakening, and now we have very warm water, 90-degree bath water for this storm to strengthen over the next 12 hours. And if we're dealing with a strengthening storm as it makes landfall, that's going to bump up a lot. That's going to bump up the storm surge, certainly the winds and the heavy rainfall, as the right front quadrant of the storm brings the worst conditions. So across the Keys and the west coast of Florida, you need to be finalizing your preparations because this storm is coming. It started to make its northward turn. So as we go further out in time, there's a Category 4 storm right on the doorstep of Key West tomorrow morning, and then perhaps making another landfall around the Naples area at 7 p.m. and then up towards the Big Bend of Florida on Tuesday, finally moving towards the Tennessee River Valley. But we're still dealing with a major hurricane Monday and Tuesday off the coast of Florida. Tornado threat. Liz mentioned that. We do have the potential for tornadoes as this storm continues to crawl up the coast of Florida. So the whole state of Florida is going to possibly be under a tornado watch for the next 48 to 72 hours. So tornado threat there. No tornado warned storms right now, but we'll certainly keep an eye on it.